Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Sure, it is your.
Oh, thank you. Can I know you?
Yes, my name is Email. What is your name?
Hi, Mel. My name is Milan. Where are you from?
I am from Malacca.
Where do you live now?
I live in Samratulangi Street. I know where are you from?
I come from Aditya in Maunoli. Now, my live next the campus in Berenkos. What is your hobby?
My hobby is listening to music. If you?
My hobby is reading books. Are you a new student at Flores University?
Yes, I am a new student at Flores University. Are you also a new student?
Yes, I am also a new student. What program did you choose?
I chose the elementary school teacher education study program. If it's alright.
I also choose the elementary school teacher education study program. What was your reason for choosing the elementary school teacher education study program?
The reason I chose this study program was because of my own will and the support of my parents. If my work is your reason of choosing the study program,
The reason I chose elementary school teacher education was because my dream was to become an elementary school teacher. Sorry, can I have your telephone number?
of course, my telephone number
Okay.
0813
Okay.
3775
Okay.
7528.
Oh, thank you, Email. Nice to meet you.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you too.
Bye bye, Email.
Bye.